In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default view in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a new user or someone who's been working with Excel for years, customizing your default settings can greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency. First, let's open up your Microsoft Excel application. Once you have it open in front of you, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the File tab there. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu with a variety of options, but for today, our focus is on making your experience just a little more personalized. After clicking on File, you'll need to scroll down to find Options, which is located at the bottom right corner of the menu. Click on Options to open the Excel Options window. Now, this window is packed with different sections and settings. It's essentially the command center for how your Excel behaves and looks, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. What we need to focus on today is located on the right-hand side under the section labeled When Creating New Workbooks. This section is key because it's here where all the default settings for new sheets come to life. Now, zeroing in a bit further, you'll see a setting that says Default View for New Sheets. Right next to it is a crucial drop-down menu. By default, Excel sets this to Normal View. Normal View is perfectly fine for general workflow as it's designed to provide a broad and what's often considered a standard-like perspective of your data. However, many of you might find that you use other views more frequently, such as Page Layout View or Page Break Preview. If that's the case, it could be beneficial to set one of these as your default instead. This is where the drop-down menu becomes pivotal. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see a list of options. Select the view you use most often. This small change can make a big difference by streamlining your experience every time you start fresh with a new workbook in Excel. Now, once you've settled on your choice, confirm by clicking OK to apply your changes. This adjustment ensures that moving forward, every new Excel sheet you create will open in your selected view, saving you from having to change it manually each time. If you're unsure which view best suits your workflow, this is a great opportunity to experiment. Test out each of the available views, see how they present your data, and once you've made a decision, simply return to this menu, make your selection, and hit OK again to set it. There you have it, a straightforward way to tailor your Excel environment to better fit your needs. Happy excelling!